Katharine, and today I'm going to show you how to create this shooting star artwork. Did you know that shooting stars aren't actually stars? They are meteors, which are rocks or dust in space that are travelling at speeds of over 120,000 miles per hour through space. The sizes of shooting stars vary, but they all become significantly smaller as they burn up, falling through the atmosphere. They can reach temperatures of 1,650 degrees Celsius. Very, very, very hot. You'll need one sheet of black A4 card or paper, one sheet of yellow card, coloured chalk or pastels, scissors and glue. Using your coloured chalk or pastels, create an arch of different coloured stripes on your black card. These stripes should go from the top corner on the right to the bottom corner on the left. Next, you're going to draw a star on your yellow card. Next, you need to cut it out. Stick the star at the end of your coloured arch. If you would like to, you can also draw a face on your star. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed making your shooting star artwork too.